Do you want to improve your lifestyle with some easy tricks? Welcome to our guide to healthy living, a beacon on your path to wellness. In this journey, we'll be delving into the essence of healthy living, underscoring the pivotal role it plays in our lives. You'll learn quick and easy tips that can transform your lifestyle, enhancing both your physical and mental well-being. So, fasten your seatbelt and open your mind. Get ready to embark on a journey to a healthier and happier you. First on the list, revamp your diet. How, you ask? The answer lies in the colorful world of fruits and vegetables. Bursting with vitamins, minerals, and fiber, these nature's candies are your first step towards healthy eating. Try to incorporate a variety of them in your meals, and don't shy away from trying something new. Next, let's talk about the sweet enemy, sugar. It's hidden in many processed foods and drinks, and while it might taste good, it's not doing your body any favors. Reducing sugar intake can lead to a myriad of health benefits, from weight loss to improved heart health. And finally, don't underestimate the power of hydration. Water plays a pivotal role in maintaining your body's balance of bodily fluids, regulating temperature, and aiding digestion. So, keep that water bottle handy. Remember, healthy eating is a cornerstone of healthy living. It's not about short-term diet, it's about long-term lifestyle change. Moving on to the next tip, regular exercise. A cornerstone of healthy living, exercise is more than just a tool for weight management. It's a ticket to a healthier, happier life. Regular physical activity strengthens your cardiovascular system, boosts your mood, and sharpens your mind. And the best part, you don't need a gym membership to reap the benefits. Walking is a simple yet effective exercise that can be incorporated into your daily routine. Take the stairs instead of the elevator, or park your car a little further from your destination. Dancing, another enjoyable form of exercise, marries movement with music, making it a fun way to stay active. Yoga, on the other hand, is a mind-body practice that combines physical postures, breathing exercises, and meditation. It's a great way to reduce stress while promoting flexibility and balance. Exercise not only keeps the body fit, but also the mind sharp, contributing to overall healthy living. Our next tip, get enough sleep. Sleep, an often overlooked aspect of healthy living, has profound impacts on our overall health and well-being. It's not just about quantity, but also quality. A restful sleep rejuvenates your body, sharpens your mind, and invigorates your spirit. So, how do you ensure a good night's sleep? First, maintain a consistent sleep schedule. Going to bed and waking up at the same time every day, yes, even on weekends, helps regulate your body's internal clock. Next, create a restful environment. Your bedroom should be a sanctuary of comfort and tranquility. Opt for dim lights, cool temperatures, and minimal noise. Lastly, avoid caffeine and other stimulants close to bedtime. They can disrupt your sleep cycle and prevent you from slipping into that deep, restorative sleep. Remember, a well-rested you is a healthier you. Restful sleep is a crucial part of your journey towards healthy living. Finally, it's time to put these tips into action. Today, we've journeyed together through a roadmap to better health, exploring the pillars of healthy living. We've dived into the world of healthy eating, understanding that the right fuel can make all the difference. We've embraced the power of regular exercise, recognizing that a little movement goes a long way in boosting our well-being. And we've acknowledged the importance of adequate sleep, the often overlooked ingredient to a vibrant life. But remember, folks, it's not about overnight transformations. It's about taking small steps every day towards a healthier lifestyle. It's about making choices that respect our bodies and our minds. It's about realizing that each day presents a new opportunity to choose healthy living. So let's start today. Let's make that healthy meal, take that brisk walk, get that extra hour of sleep. It doesn't have to be perfect, it just has to be a start. Because every step towards healthy living is a step towards a happier, more vibrant you. And remember, we're all in this together. If you ever need a little inspiration or a friendly nudge in the right direction, we're here for you. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more health tips. Here's to a healthier, happier you.